Did you know India has over 9 million blind people, the highest in the world? For many people, everyday tasks are overwhelming. But what if their world could be transformed?
My name is Ram. I'm just a normal person like you. The only thing which I can't do is that I can't see.
For millions of blind individuals, simple tasks like crossing a road, reading a book seems impossible. Dreams and aspirations are often left unfulfilled.
It was my father's call as if I will be traveling tomorrow to Mumbai. Families always, they were concerned that how will I manage.
But what if technology could bridge this gap? Meet Ayaan, a young innovator working on a groundbreaking solution, a pair of smart glasses to guide the blind. Ayaan is developing smart glasses with a bold vision, a world where blindness doesn't mean dependence. His prototype allows user to ask what's in front of them. Using computer vision, the glasses identify objects and relay them back through sound.
So, अब any कोई idea कि आप अगर कुछ पूछना चाहो जो like किसी की वजह से कि साथ में कोई वही बता पाए, क्या क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, क्या इस टाइप की नॉलेज हो सकती, जानकारी जो आप पूछना चाहते हैं, मे बी लाइक कोई भी ऐसा।
हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमें अगर कोई तो ह्यूमन रहेगा तो कलर पूछेंगे, क्योंकि किसी ड्रेस का कलर नहीं पता चलता है।
हाँ, और
तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमें ड्रेस कलर पूछते हैं।
ओके। Hi Friday, what is the color of the t-shirt in this image?
A small, square-cut design resembling a camera lens is on the chest area of the dark blue polo shirt.
Dark blue polo shirt बता दिया, पीछे कैमरा भी वो आ गया होगा। ठीक। Hi Friday, what is the time on this phone?
The current time on the phone is 11:53, verbally described for a visually impaired individual.
So right now is 11:53.
Ayaan's journey hasn't been easy. From learning complex algorithms to testing early prototypes, he faced countless challenges, but every setback has fueled his determination.
So when I went to Bhopal in my hometown and I researched about my classes, so I met few of my relatives and asked about what are the challenges and the feedback, the challenges they face in their day-to-day life, and what they suggested me that they want some assistance from such kind of product is that they can figure out or they can easily navigate in their day-to-day life, like holding an object and navigating from one room to another, such kind of things. The day Google released its Gemini vision model, I thought and researched about like what are the different use cases of this model. So after researching a lot, I thought that using an image to text model which can analyze and predict what is in the image or like completely describe what's in image, why not use it for those who actually need of the description of their surrounding. So I thought I should use this Gemini model to analyze the environments in front of those who need.
Even in early stages, Ayaan's invention is making a difference.
जो आपका प्रोडक्ट बताए वो या आपकी सोच कॉन्सेप्ट सभी पसंद आई है। सुना कि आप 18-19 एज के वाले हैं और या इतने एज में ये सभी ट्राई कर रहे हो हमारे लिए विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड के लिए, इसलिए मैं आपको थैंकफुल हूँ।
For the future plans, the first thing I'm going to do is in future it can detect the objects or analyze the images automatically and speak up about the surrounding, so you won't be needing to ask every time about. Then the second thing I'm going to do is make this work without the internet, as right now it requires continuous internet connection for run LLM models or transfer of images, but soon it will work completely offline, so it can work in any place.
Imagine what it could do when it's fully developed. Automatic object detection, real-time assistance, and a world of possibilities for the blind. Ayaan's vision is bigger than one school. He dreams of a future where his glasses can automatically identify objects and almost eliminate the challenges of blindness. But bringing this idea to real life requires resources, collaboration, and support. The blind don't need our pity. They need innovative tools like these glasses to achieve independence. You can be the part of this journey. Share this story, support innovators like Ayaan, or contribute to the projects that empower visually impaired. Together, we can redefine what's possible. Empower innovation, empower lives. And thank you so much for watching this video.